Hello, and welcome to the implementation overview for the Key Stage 2 Winning with Numbers trial. How we help you to set the evaluation. The first thing we ask you to do is to identify two similar ability classes. Complete the pre-assessment task with both classes. You will find this in the resource folder. Using the What Work Teachers platform, you will then randomly allocate these into intervention and the control class. Intervention will use the Winning with Numbers program for the duration of the trial. The comparison class will continue as normal. You will then complete the post-assessment task, which is the same as the pre, with both classes at the end of the trial, and the system will generate an impact report. If the intervention has showed promise, you can then open this up to the comparator class. So let's look at this from a step-by-step planning approach. Step 1. Identify two similar ability classes to participate in the evaluation from the same year group. Step 2. Download the resource folder with the anonymized data tracker and the maths assessment. Step 3. Complete the pre-assessment test with both classes. Record the marks in the Excel tracker that's located in the resource folder and input this into the pre-test on the trial wizard. As you're using class-level data, we advise that one teacher reads out the score while the other teacher puts this into the platform to save time. Step 4. Using the trial wizard on the What Work Teachers platform, randomly assign learners to the intervention and the control group. Step 5. For the intervention class, implement the Winning with Numbers program for the duration of the topic. The control class will continue as business as usual for the duration of the trial. Step 6. Complete the post-assessment test, which is the same as the pre with both the intervention and the control group. Record the marks in the Excel tracker located in the resource folder and input this into the post-test in the trial wizard. You will find in the resource folder a tracking spreadsheet that allows you to link anonymized student ID to students in your class. Once you've randomly allocated, just make sure you record the allocation onto the class which is the intervention and which is the control. The assessment is attainment, as defined by the score by the maths assessment included in the folder. As both the control and intervention groups receive the same assessment, familiarity with this should not bias the effect. And final assessment guidance: if you can complete this assessment in school time, ensure the assessment is completed in test conditions. Record the pre and post assessment scores on your tracking spreadsheet and add the anonymized data into the What Worked platform at the relevant stage of the evaluation. So that is the end of your evaluation implementation guidance. The next thing to do is to download the research protocol, the resource folder, then start your trial using the trial wizard.